because it is a gorgeous forecast as we head into this upcoming weekend. The winds are onshore, definitely, so it's bringing in that cool sea breeze. Not too bad. We've got some patchy clouds still left over from that storm system, which is, by the way, pushing off into the plain states. High pressure behind it will semi-dominate our weather, enough to where we will see sunshine certainly later this afternoon and into this upcoming weekend. We're going to look for a powerful storm, though. It's still well upstream in the Gulf of Alaska, and that storm set for Monday, Tuesday. You really do need to prepare, especially if you live near those burned and scarred hillsides. We're talking about 1.5 to 3 inches of rain possible for the coast and valleys, maybe 3 to 5 inches of rain for the mountains and foothills. That is very concerning, of course. When you talk about rainfall rates that strong, that hard over a couple of days, that's going to trigger potentially some mud and debris flows. Of course, some flooding expected. The roads, it'll be very hazardous for traveling, I'm sure, the early part of next week. We're also expecting 6 to 10 inches, possibly a foot or more of snow above 7,000 feet. That's great news for our local resorts. And of course, as I mentioned, those mud and debris flows. So you really do need to prep for that. Kids who walk to school, if you are walking to work, you want to make sure you have those rain boots. I can't even remember where mine is at, so I need to look for that over the weekend. How did we do, though, for the rainfall? We got 12/100ths of an inch of rain yesterday for downtown LA. That added to the 1/100th we saw just the other day. Brings our deficit still at over an inch. I think we're going to get a chance to catch up and maybe even eliminate this deficit as we get into the middle of next week when we